Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to hide data in Google Sheets. Please like and subscribe and let's get started. If you have a large table and you need to hide a few rows that you don't need at the moment, you can select each row and hide it manually, or use a filter to solve this problem. Go to the Data tab and click Create a filter. As you can see, a filter icon has appeared in the header of each column. Now we click on the filter icon in the first column and uncheck those rows that we don't need at the moment. It's also very convenient to use the search to exclude the rows below. Next we click OK and all the selected rows are now filtered or hidden. To open them, click on the filter icon again and click Select All, and then OK. The rows appeared, and the filter is deleted as it was created. Data tab, Remove filter. And that's it. Now in Ultimo.